Welcome to the Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech YouTube channel, your trusted source for free educational resources and past papers to help you excel in your exams. In this video, we bring you the Kampala Primary School's Head Teachers Examinations Committee, KAPSHA, Primary 7 Pre-Mock Examinations 2025 for Social Studies and Religious Education. This high-quality pre-mock paper is perfect for P.7 candidates preparing for the upcoming Primary Leaving Examinations, PLE. Use this resource to sharpen your knowledge in social studies and religious education by practicing real exam-style questions. Watch carefully, pause the video whenever you need to, write down the questions, and tackle them at your own pace. Get ready to boost your revision, build confidence, and strengthen your understanding of key topics like Ugandan history, geography, citizenship, Christianity, Islam, and moral values. Let's dive in and start practicing. Thank you so much for watching and using this KAPSHA Primary 7 Pre-Mock 2025 Social Studies and Religious Education paper to prepare for your PLE. We hope this walkthrough has helped you improve your skills and get one step closer to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and classmates, and subscribe to Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech for more free P.7 mock exams, UNEB past papers, marking guides, and revision content across all subjects. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Keep practicing hard. You've got this. See you in the next one.